Well, today has been quite the unproductive day today for me. So I am deciding that I'm going to sing something. I'm going to sing Save Me From Myself by Christina Aguilera, because I really like that song. So I'm going to do that. And the reason that I'm looking down is because I'm looking at the karaoke thing, because I don't know the lyrics very well. Okay. Not so easy loving you. It gets so complicated, all the things you gotta do. Everything's changing, but you're the truth. I'm amazed by all your patience, everything I couldn't do. And when I'm about to fall, somehow you're always waiting. You're open arms to catch me. You're gonna save me from myself. From myself, yes. You're gonna save me from myself. My love is tainted by your touch. Well, some guys they show me faces, but you got that royal flush. I know it's crazy every day. But tomorrow may be shaky, but you never turn away. And don't ask me why I'm crying, 'cause when I start to crumble, you know how to keep me smiling. You always save me from myself, myself. You always save me from myself. I know it's hard. You've broken all my walls. You've been my strength so strong. And don't ask me why I love you. It's obvious your tenderness is what I need to make me a better woman. To myself, myself, you're gonna save me from myself. So definitely not a perfect version at all, because my voice did crack quite a bit. However, I really don't care.